Photosynthesis is a natural event that occurs repeatedly in plants. Leaves are the main organ in plants where photosynthesis takes place. Apart from plants, photosynthesis has become a natural process that plays an important role in the life of organisms, such as humans and animals. This is because when the photosynthesis process occurs, it will produce oxygen, which is needed by living things to breathe. After that, photosynthesis will also help recycle carbon dioxide produced in the respiratory system. In this way, air pollution can be reduced thanks to photosynthesis. In the Big Indonesian Dictionary, or KBBI, the word photosynthesis means the use of light energy of plants or bacteria to convert carbon dioxide and air into carbohydrate. In the process, photosynthesis will then produce net photosynthesis if the amount of this photosynthesis product has been reduced by respiration. Material regarding photosynthesis is also often discussed in plant physiology. In the process, this chemical change really requires then four things, namely water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, and sunlight. Below is the process of photosynthesis that you need to know. First, plants will obtain water from the soil, which is absorbed by the roots, and from these roots it is distributed using a transportation system, namely xylem tissue and home tissue, which is then distributed to all organs of the plant body, including the leaves. Second, carbon dioxide will be obtained from the air, which then enters through the stomata. The location of the stomata is on the bottom of the leaf. Third, then photosynthesis occurs in the leaf area. This photosynthesis process will also occur when the chlorophyll in the leaves has captured sunlight, which will then be used to convert water and carbon dioxide into sugar and oxygen. Fourth, sugar produced from photosynthesis can be directly used by plants or can be stored in other organs in plants, for example in fruit. Fifth, apart from sugar, the oxygen produced will later exit through the stomata and then into the air. This oxygen is also what humans and animals use to breathe. Sixth, through a polymerization reaction, the glucose or sugar produced through this process will be arranged into starch or starch. This starch will be stored in the plant roots. Carbon dioxide and oxygen concentration. Carbon dioxide will greatly affect photosynthesis. The higher the concentration of carbon dioxide in the air, the rate of photosynthesis will increase. This is very different from carbon dioxide. With the higher than concentration of oxygen, the intensity of photosynthesis will decrease. Water and nutrient content. The photosynthesis process will then be disrupted in a plant lacks water. Likewise, abundant water will also interfere interfere with the photosynthesis process. Chlorophyll also really needs the element magnesium and nitrogen. When there is a shortage of these two elements, the rate of photosynthesis decreases. Benefit of photosynthesis: the benefit of the photosynthesis process and chemical process that occur in autoporic organisms are not only beneficial for plants but are also beneficial for all living things. There are several benefits of photosynthesis that you need, including produce oxygen for living creatures. In the process of photosynthesis, plants will also help release byproducts, including oxygen. This oxygen itself is needed by living creatures to breathe. In addition, when this chemical change occurs, plants will then absorb carbon dioxide that comes from pollution. When carbon dioxide is absorbed, the air around the plants will feel cleaner and fresher.